All right, let's talk about the section 1 review worksheet. Question number 1 says, what did Rutherford's gold foil experiment suggest about the structure of an atom? Well, when he shot the particles through the gold foil, he found that most of the particles went straight through and a few were reflected off in different directions. But that most of them went straight through. So he found that a couple things. Atoms are mostly empty space with a large concentration of mass in the center. That's supposed to be an E there, that he called the nucleus. Number 2, state the law of definite proportions in your own words. We'll say compounds made of the same elements must have the same ratio of elements to be the same. 2 examples. H2O is water and H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. Those are 2 different substances. Even though they both have H and O, they've got a different ratio of H's and O's. Number 3, how is Dalton's atomic theory similar to Democritus' atomic theory? Both said all matter is made of indivisible units called atoms. We know now that's not entirely true. The atoms can be further broken down. Number 4, how is Thomson's atomic theory different from Rutherford's atomic theory? Well, Thomson had the plum pudding model. So Thomson said electrons, try that again. Electrons were spread throughout the atom with the other particles. What Rutherford said was electrons, and let me talk about the positive particles. We'll say it this way. Nucleus was a positively charged location in the center of an atom with electrons orbiting. And that positively charged center was very, very small compared to the rest of the atom. And then the last one, what did Thomson include about the particles in a cathode rays? They had a negative charge. And he called those particles electrons.